I made $900 per week in my first 3 months of starting a YouTube Shorts channel, but if I followed the process that I'm going to lay out in this video, I would have seen these numbers a lot sooner. So follow me as I apply this process to a new channel that will reach some crazy numbers. Search for a niche. Open a private window and start scrolling on the Shorts feed. Open any Shorts channel in a new tab that is uploading repurposed content and has more than 100,000 likes. I don't take note of any Shorts that are IRL content because 1, it is time consuming to create, and 2, it usually requires some initial investment. Select a niche. After creating a list of potential niches, you should view each one and see if they upload consistent viral shorts. We don't want to join a niche where we can only get one viral short and all of the others receive 1,000 views, because that's not a sustainable business. Another check is the channel's start date, because if it's an older channel that has been going viral for some time, it is likely the niche is very saturated, which makes it very difficult to start a new channel within. A final check is to see if the channel is monetized by inspecting the page source, because we want to enter a niche with a style of content that is monetizable. After following this process, I eliminated channels from my list until I got a channel named Starless. They upload interesting moments of artists performing on stage. What sets this channel apart was that it was created at the start of this year and all of their shorts were only uploaded in the last 3 months. Content review. You should review how the content is created so you can start creating something similar to replicate the results. When I reviewed the Starless shorts, I found there was a video cut, subtitle, sound effects, graphics, transitions, and voiceover occurring every second. Also, another trick that this channel is using is that they have looping content. This is done by cutting the first clip of the short and then moving it to the end, so when the video ends, it's like the short never finished because shorts play on a loop. This strategy and the frequent editing is all in efforts to increase the most important metric, average percentage viewed. If you are going to create shorts with voiceovers, you do need to create a script. To analyze hooks and the flow of how the creator presents information, I write out the creator scripts by referring to the subtitles. Create the content. For any shorts I create, I download clips from YouTube by finding a free YouTube video downloader on Google. Try downloading your videos in 720p or 1080p because we don't want to download videos that look like this when we can download videos that look like this. I edited my shorts using Adobe Premiere Pro and I focused on video cuts, graphics, subtitles, soundtrack, transitions, and the voiceover, just like the Starless shorts. If you haven't noticed yet, we are taking inspiration from what's already working because there's no reason why we can't see similar results for our channel. And we can see this working for some football channels who have taken inspiration from my viral shorts. I created a series of viral shorts with a unique video topic that I came up with. Other creators noticed how viral these shorts went and opened dedicated channels to this video topic. And in some cases, these channels have even surpassed my channel by just taking inspiration from a small piece of my video topics. There are many ways to edit, so I won't go into more detail. I will be doing a new updated full guide on how to edit in the future, so stay watching my channel. I need to note that when creating content, add your unique twist. This will happen naturally over time, but I do need to mention that you shouldn't be copying scripts and video sequences one-to-one. Upload the content. Create a channel, name it, and then brand it. Once your channel is set up, start uploading your shorts and title them something related to your video topic. Don't spend too much time on your titles because when viewers are swiping on their feed, they aren't reading the titles. Titling your shorts is just for the algorithm, same with your descriptions. Wait for the views. From my experience, it does take a few uploads to get your first viral short, and it usually does take a few weeks from your upload date before your shorts start to really pop off. So don't give up when you get to the end of your first week and your shorts haven't taken off. I know that sometimes it can feel like you're creating content for no reason because YouTube isn't pushing your shorts, but you have to keep learning and creating content. Although if it has been up to 4 weeks of consistently making content at a high quality and you aren't seeing the results, you should try another niche. I have done this in the past with other channels, and it wasn't until I moved on to my next channel that I realized my previous niche was terrible. You shouldn't view this process as a waste of time. You will develop skills that you can take to other niches and you will start seeing results very fast. Results. Now, it's obvious that this channel won't be monetized because I only uploaded these shorts as a test for this video. But if you were wondering how much a channel like Starless makes, we can see that the channel reached 260 million views over the last month, and using a short RPM of 2 cents, they could be earning up to $5,000 for this last month. This is a lot of money, and I have achieved a similar result of $2,000 per month for my football channel. But of course, to reach these high numbers, you do need to be doing views upwards of 100 million views per month, and there aren't many channels that can pull in this amount of views. If you can gain up to 20 million views per month, which I think is achievable for anyone, you can earn up to $400 per month. If you told me that I needed to achieve 20 million views per month when I first started, I would have laughed at you, but you will learn that over time you do develop something called returning viewers, just like long form content. And I think this is a great income considering the time it takes to create these shorts. For example, each short that I uploaded did take a maximum of 1 hour to complete. What's next? You might be wondering, what am I going to do with this channel? I won't be continuing to upload on it because I've been focused on other channels. I have been creating a new shorts channel in the background that I'm going to monetize so I can once again prove to you what I'm telling you actually works. The reason why I'm not giving away any details is because the channel is very new, and considering how saturated football shorts got after I created my videos, it's something that will greatly disadvantage a new channel. I have been very slow putting out content here on this channel. I am going to change this and start uploading every second week instead of monthly. My next video will be all about how the YouTube Shorts algorithm has changed, and this is something I've learned about recently, and it is a game changer for anyone creating shorts.